Welcome to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make the honey lime salad. So stay tuned and I'll show you right away. Okay, so today I'm going to be working on my famous honey lime salad. I posted a picture earlier today on my social media and a lot of people asked me to show the recipe. So I'm going to show you real quick how simple it is to make this salad. So first what we got here is 3 cups of baby greens. Just a mixture of a mesclun mix. We have 2 ounces of dried cranberries. 2 ounces of candied pecans. About 2 ounces of julienne jicama, 2 ounces of julienne Granny Smith apples, and then another 2 ounces of julienne mango. So you're going to add that all inside, and you're just going to toss it nicely. So this is a very good salad for the summer. It has a lot of color and a lot of variety. It's very fruitful, so it's very nice, to just do it. I usually do it for a lot of the lady parties that I do here. So now what I'm going to use is 2 ounces of honey lime dressing. Now this recipe I won't give away just because it's my favorite dressing I use. So I kind of keep that one a secret, but you can substitute for other stuff. So now we're going to put it in here, in my bowl. So you can see how beautiful it is. Now the topper is a 1/4 piece of sliced avocado. So the avocado I just took, like I said, I might actually do a half on this one just because of the presentation. It's a lot larger, so it'll be nicer. So I'm going to put it like this, and just like that. What I'm building is kind of like almost like a point in the middle. Now this one, I'm going to do it with some grilled chicken breast. So I just took a 6-ounce breast of chicken, a little olive oil, a little salt, a little pepper, and just grilled it. Now I'm going to fan it. To fan it, what I'm going to do is cut at a bias. Just like that. I'm going to put it like that. So what I did here is a trick. The point's at the bottom, so the heavy part's at the top. So the breast sits nice. It almost looks like a heart. All right, now for some a couple little tips. First tip is with this salad, as you can tell, it has a lot of color, a lot of variety. When figs are in season, I usually add some figs to this. Another thing you can do is instead of the chicken breast, you can do grilled shrimp, grilled salmon, any kind of variety of seafood. You could even do some skirt steak on this, and that would be a very good taste because it's almost like a Hispanic salad, very light. So those are just a couple little tips. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is our honey lime salad. Thank you. See you next week. Please don't forget to hit subscribe. Leave me any comments, any feedback. And then we're starting something new this week. If you can recreate the same salad the way I just did, and you can tag me in it on Instagram or on my Facebook, I will repost it so everyone can see how easy it is for anyone to make these videos. Thank you so much. See you next week. Bye.